What's the meaning of bowie knife? Bowie knife. Bowie knife.
Bowie knife. Bowie knife. A bowie knife is a large, fixed-blade knife that was first popularized in the mid-19th century. The knife was named after James Jim Bowie, who became famous for his use of a large knife in a duel known as the Sandbar Fight in 1827. The typical bowie knife has a clip-point blade, a crossguard, and a sharpened false edge on the back of the blade. The knife is generally used for hunting, survival, and combat, but has also become a symbol of the American frontiersman. Today, the bowie knife remains a popular type of knife among collectors, outdoorsmen, and enthusiasts of American history and culture.